What's up guys, XP here. Welcome to another video. And if you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and comment down below. So today we're gonna do another nerf video. Today the gun we're gonna be featuring for today is nerf Surgefire. And this gun is actually decent. So those are the targets. Yeah, I'm gonna still do it the same, like accuracy, power, and slam power. So that accuracy, hit boy, hit, hit boy. So we're gonna, that's just good. That's just decent. Not too amazing though. Just decent. And that's also good for nothing. Decent. We're gonna do it by power. Yeah. That didn't even do anything. Very decent power. So yeah, that's still okay. And by the way, if you like watch my yeah. That's weird. Yeah. We're gonna do it in slam fire, so yeah, we're gonna do it. Oh gosh! You know what, guys? One of my bullets just went under my drawer. And I hate when that happens. So that's not good. That's just bad, bro. Bad. And I think Slamfire just got it more than like focusing. Yeah. No focus. Maybe he's good too. So I lost one bullet, guys. So if if you are a new person to my channel, please subscribe and like. Send a comment down below. So I actually got this for my birthday though. So yeah, that's one bullet missing. And yeah, that's all it today. Bye.